Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about ternary operator. So let's take one example where a person can drive only if he's having a license, and he can only get the license, a driving license, when he's above 18 years of age. So let's take that example and use our ternary operator, how that works. Now let me just declare one variable called age and initialize it with 17. So let me just put the condition here. I would say greater than or equal to 18. If he's greater than or equal to 18 years of age, then do one of these, which is like console.log. I can say just can drive, okay, and in case if he's less than 18, then we would say cannot drive. Okay. So here, what we're doing, we're just taking a variable with the value of 17 here. 17 is not greater than 18, then we'll get this one, right? Let me just run this and see. Refresh the page, cannot drive. Okay. So here, let me just uh, put this in another way, right? Age is greater than or equal to 18, then say yes. Okay, or no. Okay, so here what I'm doing is can drive. Okay, this is the variable, right? And this gets the value either yes or no. Let me just log this to the console and can drive. No, we don't need to put drive. Okay, we run this and see uh, 18. If I just put 23 or something here, let me see. So here it says can drive, and also this one is yes. Okay. So let's convert this one. Okay. Convert this to an if statement from ternary. Yesterday we saw an example of switch statement, right? Where we wrote some statements within state switch, some cases, and converted that into if, right? Now we'll do the same thing, converting this into an if. Okay. So if statement, let me just put another variable called can by 2. This will have a value of, let me just, yeah, let, okay. This will have a value of undefined, right? So if, again, age is greater than or equal to 18, in this case, what we'll do, we will just bring this up here, right? So we did this one at control. So can drive, initialize it with yes. Sorry, but here we'll do it. Mm, uh, 5 2 is equal to no. Okay, initialize it with this, and yeah, now just log this to the console and try two. Okay, so what we got here, let's see. It says again 18 because the value here we initialized with 23. If I say 10, a 3-year-old boy driving a car, no, right? That is not possible, right? So cannot have driving license or cannot drive, right? So cannot drive, and the answer is no here. Okay, we are just logging this one to the console, and we're just doing drive greater than, what is this? Drive And right, he couldn't find determined candidate tree. Yeah, yes. So this is not pairing mistake here. That is why we're getting undefined here, right? Now this is correct. Now let's put the ternary operator into a control.log statement saying we'll use backticks. So I like to drive, okay, and put one expression here, and that expression calls this one. Let's say I'll just bring this within this one and rerun this. I like to drive, no, right? Because age is 10, he cannot drive. If I just put 23 here, I will get yes. Okay. All right. This is a small demonstration of ternary operator. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.